Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Messenger. Open the app and confirm you're in the right account. This matters because sounds are per account. Once inside, tap your profile photo at the top left, then choose Notifications and Sounds. This is where Messenger controls live. Make sure headphones or Bluetooth audio are disconnected so you hear changes immediately. Don't pause here. You're taking the first actionable step to change the app sound back to the normal system tone, not a custom tone or silent setting. Now you pick the default sound. In Notifications and Sounds, tap Notification Sound and select Default or the system tone you recognize. If you don't see a notification sound option, exit to your phone settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Messenger. Open Notifications there. Once in System Notification Settings, set Importance to High and pick the system default sound. This forces Messenger to use your phone's standard alert. You do this because some custom tones or low importance block audible alert. Finish by sending yourself a message to test the change and make sure Do Not Disturb is off. That confirms audible alerts are working. If you still hear the wrong sound, clear Messenger's cache, reset app preferences, or uninstall and reinstall the app. These steps remove corrupted settings. Make sure your OS and app are updated and check sound profiles, silent, vibrate. One key troubleshooting tip: if problem persists, create a new temporary account to see if the issue is account-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.